In the state of Florida, auto insurance is required, but the three most important coverages to have are not even required by the state legislature. I call this the key three. Number one is bodily injury coverage. This protects you in the event that you're in an accident and you're at fault and the other driver is bringing a claim against you. Bodily injury coverage is in place to protect you and pay for claims made against you. Number two of the key three is collision coverage. Collision coverage does not have to do with personal injury. It has to do with vehicle damage. Collision coverage only protects your vehicle. Now, it comes into play in the event that you get into an accident, your car gets damaged, and the other driver does not have sufficient coverage to pay for your vehicle repairs. Now, the only downside to this is that it does carry with it a deductible. However, you are protected in the event that you're in an accident and the other driver does not have sufficient coverage. Collision coverage will pay for your vehicle to be repaired. Coverage number three of the key three is uninsured motorist coverage. In my opinion, this is the most important coverage to carry in Florida. The reason being, this protects you, it protects your family, it protects your well-being. It protects in the event that you're in an accident. You are not at fault. The other driver's at fault. And unfortunately, the other driver does not have sufficient coverage to pay for your personal injury claim. Now, as long as you carry uninsured motorist coverage, you will be covered.